Hey guys, I'm Robert Nicholson, president of the ED Treatment Information Center, and today I'm going to be telling you about a new device that can be used to treat erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, and incontinence. Now, clinical studies show that all of those conditions can be improved with Kegel exercises, which strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. If you don't know what Kegel exercises are, we have a page on our website that tells you all about the benefits and how to do the exercises. But some guys have a problem with Kegel exercises. They may not be sure they're doing them correctly, they may have trouble sticking with a regular workout schedule, or maybe they just want a better workout. So if you go to a physical therapist, they have a device which uses electrical stimulation to cause the pelvic floor muscles to contract. It gives you a really good workout. Well, now there's a new device that's available for home use that gives you the same type of electrical stimulation that you would get from a physical therapist. It's called the eKegel, and I just got one. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Now the shipping box is a plain, unmarked, brown box. So we'll slice that open. And when we open it up, what we're going to see is the fancy packaging inside. And this is the package that has the product logo on the box. So now let's open up the box. And inside, we have the eKegel itself. Now, as you can see, it's a small, convenient device. Fits right in your hand or in a pocket. Also in the box, we have an instruction manual that tells you everything you need to know to use the device, and they have more information on their website. We also have these little pads. These are the pads that you put on your body when you want to have a workout. You put one right on your perineum, and you put one right over your tailbone. And then there are some wires that you use to connect those pads to the device itself. And there's a USB charging cable, just like you use with an MP3 player or your phone. So the eKegel is a convenient, safe, low voltage device that will give you a complete workout, the same type of electrical stimulation that you would get in a clinic or physical therapist office. A workout takes about 10 minutes. It's very easy to use, and it's a lot less expensive than going to a physical therapist. We have more information about the eKegel on our website at edtreatment.info/eKegel. So check it out. You're going to want one of these.